It's 2022, the internet is filled with trackers, cookies and whatnot. And you do not want the cookies because they are not the choco chip ones. They are virtual and you cannot eat them. Would you wish for an easier way to surf the web safely, securely and privately? Fear not, TOR Browser is here. What is TOR Browser? Developed by the TOR project, the TOR Browser, is a browser just like Chrome or Firefox. You open it and surf the web, but there is a catch. You see, instead of just sending your information from your local PC to the site you visit, TOR encrypts that information and sends it through multiple nodes throughout the world. Also, anyone in the world, including you, could volunteer in the TOR network as a node, which begs the question, can you be traced back to your real location? The answer is it's impossible. Even your ISP won't be able to see the information being sent to the websites since everything is encrypted securely. Sounds private enough? That's because it is. TOR browser can access anything on the internet, surface web to the deep web. And by the way, if you do not know what is deep web, we have a video in the I button and in the description box below. Now we will talk about the benefits of using TOR browser. To put it simply and basic terms, if you want to explore the extreme bounds of the internet safely and privately, you use the TOR browser. It makes it impossible for ISPs and others to know your exact location. The TOR browser in itself provides great functionality like Chrome or Firefox, with also support from extensions which can also help greatly in improving the web experience altogether. All in all, it's a great way to surf the web. But when should I use it? Well, we cannot give you 100% opinion because in normal web servers would just say, why hassle with so much since it's just a browser? While techie nerds like me would say, you should always use it. But let me paint you a picture. You surf the web and you are constantly annoyed by the fact that everything you do and search for is reflected everywhere you go. In simpler terms, let's say you Google something and later on that day you start seeing the ads for the same thing. That's not okay because now Google and the websites affiliated with Google know something about you. Less or small is not the concern, the knowledge is. That's when you switch to TOR browser, because at the cost of nothing you are getting a lot. A safe and secure way to go on the internet without any cost. So now let's talk about the security of TOR. We have been talking a lot about TOR, how secure is it and how does it actually do it. TOR is simple to understand. It creates these virtual tunnels, then it sends all the traffic to 3 different servers as relays in the TOR network. The last relay, exit relay in the network, then sends the traffic out to the internet, the sites you visit and everything. Meaning the sites you visit know the only exit node and nothing beyond that. Simple and secure, you just love to see it. So are there any downsides of using a TOR? Using TOR is very secure, but it comes at the cost of speed. You might love your website opening super fast, but since TOR has to actually route your data through many tunnels and then actually receive back information as well, it slows down the speed of internet of your browsing. Not by much, but if you put them side by side, you will definitely notice. It's not a deal breaker. What might be for you is that your saved information on certain websites like Netflix or Amazon, which saves your information to log you right back in and save your personal information. They will get deleted when you exit the TOR browser. Enough. I want more privacy. Sure, in addition to TOR, you can also use a VPN to even increase your privacy. It would cause the speed of your internet connection to degrade further. But at this point, does it even matter? Some of the VPNs that we recommend that will give you the best experience are ExpressVPN, NordVPN and SoftSock VPN. If you wanna download them, then the links are in description box below. When TOR combined with the VPN, it is the most secure server. All in all, that TOR browser is great. It provides an edge over VPN by routing traffic through multiple nodes, and when combined with VPN, it is the most secure way to surf the web. Though it comes with one or two downsides, but that's nothing compared to what it does for you. We love TOR. You can download the TOR browser if you want. The link is in the description box below. So that's it for today, my friends. Thank you.